Alright, hey guys, this is Jody from Farm Food and Fingerspelling. We're going to do mayonnaise today, homemade mayonnaise. It's much better than store-bought. And there's a lot of options you can do. You can change it in a lot of different ways to get different flavors and different, whatever you have around you can use to make mayonnaise. So an egg is necessary, the whole egg, and it's raw. We put that in our jar. Eggshell gets crushed up and goes to the chickens. Okay, so I am using a wide mouth jar here because my immersion blender is going to fit right in there. Actually, I was just using it, so hold on. Okay, yeah, so our immersion blender is going to fit right in there and make that easy to mix it. Plug in that immersion blender. So after we do the egg, we're going to do a little bit of lemon juice, just like a tablespoon or so. That works. And then you're going to do salt, about a teaspoon or so. And then about the same for pepper. I have a light on here. I hope this makes it better. Sorry, Crystal. Still forgot to close the cabinets. Hold on. There you go. Okay. So salt, pepper, egg. Oh, hold on. Salt, pepper, egg, and lemon juice. Then you're going to add your fat. I add it last because it makes it emulsify better. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it in there, but we're going to end up using about a half a cup of oil, but we're going to add it a little at a time. So, and then we'll add it as we need to. So here's how this works. I'm going to use the immersion blender and mix it in. Okay, and if it's runny, you just need more oil. So it's runny, so we're going to add more oil a little bit at a time until we get, oh, I forgot to mention, I use avocado oil. I get it from Sam's. You can use any oil or fat. Here's this again. So you can use any fat, I don't know if you can hear me over that actually, that you want. And like lard or bacon grease or any oil. Olive oil is a little bit bitter for it, so I wouldn't use that. And there we are. That's our mayonnaise. And you can use any acid. You just need an acid, which we're using lemon juice. You have fat, which we're using sunflower or avocado oil. You can also use sunflower oil. It's really good. Pepper, salt, and that's about it. Some people add mustard to it or something like that, garlic powder or anything like that you can add if you want to make it more flavorful. But there you go. That's our mayonnaise. Ta-da. And if it's too thin, you need more oil. And add your oil a little bit at a time until it's thicker. But if it's a little runny and you don't really care, I usually don't really care. I just put it in the fridge for a few seconds because, like, this one is the one we're using right now. And it's, like, thick like normal mayonnaise. So this one is the bacon grease. Has bacon grease and avocado oil in it. So that's mayonnaise. And you can add different flavors to it or anything like that. It's really flexible. Way better than the store-bought and way cheaper. So that's it. So thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. And that is Farm Food and Fingerspelling for today. Dinner is on the stove. Working on that. Let me show you. Hold on. Let me grab you here. We're making chicken pot pie. I'm waiting and letting that simmer to thicken up there. chicken pot pie. Ta-da! Those are eggs from breakfast. Ta-da! Chicken pot pie. First, we're doing, I'll show you, it's not mixed yet, but we're using Southern biscuit recipe to make the crust. This I'm having in a food processor container. I'm gonna do that in just a second. But this I'll do at a later date. So let me know if you guys want to see the chicken pot pie that I do. And let me know. Like, comment, share with all your friends. Subscribe to the channel. And thanks for hanging out.